Welcome, everyone. I'm excited to kick off this presentation on guiding principles and guardrails of agentic AI. Today, we'll explore how we can shape AI systems that are responsible, trustworthy, and aligned with human values. We'll cover key principles that guide AI development and the guardrails that help ensure safe and effective deployment. Let's get started. Let's talk about accuracy. Our reasoning engine, which is the brain behind Agentforce, plays a crucial role here. It uses what's called topic classification to understand and match a user's request to specific topics. Think of these topics as containers that hold instructions, business policies, and actions that an agent can take. This helps ensure the agent stays focused on the task it's meant to handle. Now, to make responses even more precise, we incorporate a grounding process. This involves bringing in relevant context from your Salesforce org directly into the prompt. By leveraging your organization's data stored in Salesforce, agents can base their replies on real, current information. This not only improves accuracy, but also makes the responses more relevant to your specific situation. Altogether, these mechanisms help agents make the most of your Salesforce data, ensuring they deliver accurate and pertinent assistance. This is a key part of our guiding principles for responsible, agentic AI, making sure the technology is reliable and trustworthy. On this slide, I want to highlight the safety measures we've put in place. Our agents come equipped with built-in safeguards to prevent unintended consequences, making sure responses are safe and appropriate. We've also established system policies that limit the scope of what the agents can say, helping them stay on topic and respond ethically. If you're interested, you can check out the prompt defense section in the Einstein Trust Layer help topic for more details. Another key point is the Einstein Trust Layer itself, which actively detects harmful content in the agent's responses. It logs any issues in the audit trail, so you have visibility and can monitor and respond as needed. Lastly, I want to emphasize our data privacy commitment. We have a zero data retention policy with our third-party LLM providers. This means your data isn't stored outside the Salesforce trust boundary, and our contractual commitments ensure it isn't used for training the third-party models. All of these measures reflect our guiding principles for responsible agentic AI, prioritizing safety, ethics, and your data security throughout the process. Let's take a moment to talk about honesty. It's essential that we respect the source of the data we use and always get proper consent. Transparency is key, so we make it clear when content is generated by AI and include disclosures to keep users informed. Moving on to empowerment, our focus is on building strong partnerships between humans and AI. AI should support us, especially in tasks that require human judgment. While some tasks can be fully automated, others still need human oversight to ensure quality and ethical considerations. We want to empower people to make high-risk decisions confidently, while automating routine tasks to increase efficiency. Overall, these guiding principles help us create responsible AI that supports and respects users, fostering trust and effective collaboration. Let's talk about sustainability. Our goal is to develop efficient AI models that help reduce the environmental impact of our technology. You might be surprised to learn that smaller, well-trained models can often outperform larger ones, making them not only more sustainable, but also more effective. We also prioritize using efficient hardware and low-carbon data centers to further minimize our carbon footprint. Additionally, our agents utilize optimized models like XLAM and XGen Sales, which are specifically tailored to their tasks. This tailored approach ensures high performance while keeping environmental impact to a minimum. Overall, these principles guide us toward responsible AI development that balances innovation with sustainability. Let's talk about platform guardrails, specifically Agentforce guardrails. Salesforce has two main types of guardrails that help us maintain control and ensure best practices. These guardrails act like safety nets, guiding us to keep everything aligned with our goals and policies. For this slide, I want to focus on Agentforce guardrails. Think of them as specific rules or boundaries that help us manage and monitor our agent activities effectively. They're essential because they help prevent issues before they happen, making sure our platform runs smoothly and securely. Throughout our overall strategy, these guardrails are crucial. They support consistent, compliant, and efficient operations. So, understanding how these guardrails work gives us a powerful tool to safeguard our environment while still enabling innovation. On this slide, I want to highlight that Salesforce has a comprehensive set of policies, guidelines, and protocols in place to ensure that our platform operates safely, ethically, and in compliance with all regulations. These guardrails are really the foundation that helps us maintain trust and responsibility in everything we do. First, we have the Acceptable Use Policy, or AUP, which sets out the general rules for how our customers can use Salesforce services. It's designed to prohibit activities that could harm the platform or its users, ensuring a safe environment for everyone. Next, there's the AI Acceptable Use Policy, or AI AUP. This is more specific to our AI technologies, and it defines the responsible ways our customers can use these powerful tools. It helps prevent misuse and encourages ethical application of AI. And then we have the Model Containment Policies. These are critical because they establish clear boundaries for how AI models are used. These rules make sure that models stay within certain limits, reducing risks like misusage or unintended effects. Together, these policies act as platform guardrails. They're designed to guide responsible use, protect users, and support our overall goal of delivering innovative yet safe and trustworthy solutions. They connect to our broader mission of empowering our customers while maintaining high standards of integrity and security. Salesforce offers a variety of out-of-the-box agents tailored for specific clouds and common use cases. These agents are designed to help streamline different business processes right from the start. Each agent type can have its own set of settings and guardrails, which are basically rules that define how the agent behaves in different situations. For example, the Agentforce Service Agent, or ASA type, uses topic instructions to decide when to escalate a conversation from the AI to a human agent. This helps ensure that complex issues or sensitive topics are handled by a person when needed. On the other hand, the Sales Development Rep, or SDR, agent type has admin-defined engagement rules. These rules specify when the agent can start working on a lead, and also how and when it can send emails to prospects. Overall, these guardrails and settings are crucial because they allow us to tailor the agent's behavior to fit specific workflows and ensure consistent, effective customer interactions. This connects back to our overall goal of creating smarter, more responsive automation that enhances the customer experience while maintaining control. Let's talk about defining clear boundaries for your autonomous agents. It's crucial to set specific limits on what they can and cannot do. For example, you might restrict an agent from making financial transactions above a certain amount, or prevent access to sensitive personal information unless explicit permission is given. These boundaries are essential because they help prevent misuse and ensure that your agents operate within safe and ethical limits. Next, implementing robust security measures is absolutely vital. Since autonomous agents handle a lot of customer data, protecting that information must be a top priority. This means using encryption, secure data storage, access controls, and conducting regular security audits. It's also important to make sure your agents are compliant with data protection regulations like GDPR or CCPA. Doing so not only safeguards customer trust, but also helps you avoid legal complications. Finally, continuous monitoring and auditing are key to maintaining safe and trustworthy autonomous agents. Regularly, checking how your agents are performing allows you to spot errors or inappropriate behaviors early on. It also gives you the opportunity to make necessary adjustments and improvements. Plus, monitoring provides valuable feedback from users, helping you refine and enhance your agents over time. Together, these guardrails, clear boundaries, strong security, and ongoing oversight are what make autonomous agents safe, ethical, and reliable as part of your overall strategy. Now, while autonomous agents can handle many tasks on their own, it's crucial to have human oversight, especially for more complex or sensitive interactions. This means creating clear guidelines for when and how human representatives should step in to assist. Having this safety net ensures that customers always receive the best possible service and that issues are addressed appropriately. Transparency is also key. We need to be open with our customers about how we're using autonomous agents. Let them know when they're interacting with an AI, and always give them the option to speak with a human if they prefer. Building this level of openness fosters trust, makes customers feel more comfortable, and helps us stay compliant with regulations that require bots to be disclosed. Before deploying any autonomous agents, thorough testing is essential. We should simulate a wide variety of scenarios, including edge cases, to see how these agents perform in unexpected or tricky situations. This helps us identify and fix bugs early, ensuring the agents can handle real-world complexities gracefully and perform reliably. Finally, continuous learning and improvement are vital. Autonomous agents should be designed to learn over time, but this process must be carefully controlled. We need to monitor how they develop, using reinforcement learning with clear positive and negative feedback to prevent any harmful behaviors from emerging. All of these guardrails, human oversight, transparency, rigorous testing, and controlled learning, are about building safe, trustworthy autonomous agents that serve our customers well and uphold our organization's integrity. Thank you so much for your time and attention today. I really appreciate your engagement and interest throughout the presentation. I hope the key points we've discussed have given you valuable insights and practical takeaways. Remember, the ideas we explored are all connected to the bigger picture of achieving our goals and driving positive change. If you have any questions or want to continue the conversation, please feel free to reach out. Once again, thank you for being here and for your commitment to this important work.